Hello, Valenier with the first. How's it going? Scully, thank you for the lurk. Computer, how's everybody doing? Happy Sunday night / Monday. Purple Moss, is your heart rate normalized yet? Yeah, I'm back to normal. The excitement has worn off. Crazy to see the fun. Yeah, thank you. It is crazy. I think my dog is begging to come in. One sec, let me let her in. Okay. Yeah, I was waiting to do a post like that after everything kind of settled down, and I think we're back to normal. And I feel like I can concentrate again. There was just so much activity that I couldn't do quality work. I was too focused on watching watching numbers. But now that the numbers they're not doing anything, I get to take a deep breath and continue. I have a lot to do. I have so much to do now. I have to finish this game. So the demo was about 2.5 hours, right? I wanted the full game to be like 25 hours to 30 hours. That means I've only completed 10% of the game. That means that however many quests I have right now, I can multiply that by 10, and that's how many I need. Um, Also, I should start categorizing different kinds of quests and kind of break them up a bit. Don't make everything a fetch quest. Don't make everything a crafting quest. Don't make everything a guest quest. I need to really define and hone in on exactly what the quests are and space them out a bit. And then I want to do all that like fun little stuff that I have planned. All that like character that I want to build. I think I'm still not. I don't know. The unfortunate thing that I got to do is that I need to take a step back and go back to the game design, right? I need to go back to the design document, my flowchart, my game flowchart, and I need to pick up where I left off and continue downward. I need to continue to the end of the game. I can't really do that on stream. Or I can, maybe I just don't want to. I don't know. I basically need to design new quests and figure out the story. Like I need to do that. That's going to take me a couple of weeks. So I'm not sure how to really do. I'm not sure how to do that. I might have to cut back stream time to a few days a week, so I could do that kind of stuff. And then on stream, I can continue like making decorations and fixing, fixing bugs and stuff. But I'm still in slow mode where I'm not thinking about the grander scheme of things anymore. I'm still just like cherry picking the fun stuff or the easy stuff that I want to get done right now. What was the last thing? The last thing I was doing on Saturday. I mean, the last thing I did was make that shit post, which uh the shit post didn't really go anywhere, but the more wholesome post that did okay. But I think that's all we're gonna get. That's all we're gonna do with that interaction. I'm not gonna try and milk any more out of it. It was fun. It was fun while it lasted. This is a weird one. I might try and fix this bug because it has like implications on the rest of the game. So when you finish the game, your stat numbers are a certain value. And then when you load up the game later, your stats change. So why would your stats be different? I need to figure that one out. What affects stats and how can they possibly be different? Let's figure that one out. Yeah, let's do it. Happens if I hit play. Do I have an in? Please let me have a save file with an in already. Anyway, how are you all doing? Give me the deets. Oh, I've got nothing. Got a blank file. This is the demo, right? Killica, how's it going? How are you doing, Killica? Back to work after a week off, which is never fun. No, that is not fun. Never. What'd you do on your week off? Sounds nice. Maybe. I should never assume. Absolutely nothing. It was great. Okay. Temp items. Temp decorations. All right. All right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to build an inn, fast forward to the end, and I'm going to calculate what the stats should be and see what the number that pops up is. Reload the game, see what the number is again. Yo, Aaron, how's it going, man? How are you doing? What do I need? I need stuff. You played the demo. What was it? Wait, did you play it on stream? Did I not realize? I'm doing okay. I'm a little tired. Please critique it. Do your worst. I know you said you were having like a demo day where you're gonna play a bunch of games. But I don't normally go on I don't really go on Twitch on Sundays mostly. I never really played this type of game. I thought it was pretty cool. I was immediately impressed. I appreciate that. Shout out to Aaron. And not because you played the demo. Mostly because you're an awesome streamer and everyone else needs to follow you. If you had any gripes, let me know. Whoa, that was a weird bug. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. Wait, where's the wall? That's weird. Yeah, this genre is kind of funny, I guess. Like, I see like Stardew Valley numbers, they're super, super high. But when it comes to like the genre of cozy games, not many people branch out beyond Stardew Valley. And then I guess even the amount of people that have played Stardew Valley is relatively low in the gaming world. Planning on doing a second run, I have half a clue what's going on. You've not even played Stardew. Wow. Yeah. What were the confusing parts? I mean, this game shouldn't, video games shouldn't be confusing to anyone, so I'd be curious to know what was confusing. Gamealytics reckons 19.7 million people own Stardew on Steam alone. That's insane. And a lot of people play it on Switch. A lot of people play it on Switch. I wonder if it takes up all the air in the room for the genre. It does. It definitely does. But I think it deserves it. Oh no. What? Why did the bonsai tree not go on top of the table? I thought I fixed that bug. It's unfortunate. Oh, it's so close to the bed. Maybe that's a little too close to the bed. I would guess 60% of that again on Switch. Is that like a good estimate? I went in the opposite direction of the town, started doing quests until like day 4. Oh, really? Okay, so if you go down, yeah. If you go down first and do all that. Oh, wait, what? Why did this just pop up here? Did anyone see what just happened? When did that happen? Damn it. This was in the desk a second ago. Whatever. Just gonna ignore that one. Uh, Teyasu Games, welcome in. Look at these nice rooms. Thought I'd get myself roofs. Hello, hello, hello. Also, Mr. Zombie, how's it going? Howdy. Seems Twitch wants me to join the army. Is that true? Soul Retriever, how's it going? All right, I'm gonna let guests in. Oh wait, I don't have any rooms yet. I need a clipboard. Reset. I also need unlimited rooms. Unlimited rooms and can perform all skills. Man, I want to watch all the Adventure Times right now. Even the weird ones, yeah. We just started rewatching it. We're on season 2. Season 1 is rough. Season 1 is not very good. I mean, it's fine. It's just wacky. It's just super wacky. They started to hone it in. You can tell as the episodes go along, it just gets better and better and better. And they find their stride. It's just wonderful. All right, let's open the end. I leave it on for my dogs. I'm at work. That's great. No, whoops. You haven't seen the new stuff yet? Oh, like the HBO Max ones. They're pretty good. Even the Fiona and Cake HBO Max episodes are great. I think it's coming back, like classic Finn and Jake. I think it's coming back to HBO Max. Or maybe they're doing a movie. Maybe they're doing another movie. I can't remember. All right, so now this is all saved. These rooms are all cute. Look how cute they are. Let's take a quick bath before a guest shows up. All right, we're clean. Ooh, should I have to clean the tub? Like I make a bed. Should the tub have to be cleaned as well? Mm-hmm. All right, Hollis, you're always first to show up, Hollis. Is that supposed to happen? I feel like this is supposed to be a little more random than that. None of these rooms have any fun in them. Fun is hard. I don't have a lot of fun stuff. I need more fun. I have an 11-year-old son who I think would love it. Oh, yeah. Definitely. So what are the stats right now? Let's see. Let's check someone in. And if I go to in. So we have in level 0, normal. Total decoration rating, 55. Total activity rating, 46. Average room rating is 13.8. So where does it get that? So I need to indicate where these numbers even come from. So like total decoration rating is adding up all of these in all the rooms. Total activity rating is the same thing on the other side. And then average room rating is all of the stats added up and then averaged across all of your rooms. I'm wondering if I need to show this total somewhere, right? I think I need to. Hey, Atrium, how's it going? What, Jotson? Jotson, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. Yo, how was your stream? I just saw on Twitter that you were going to be taking over the Godot official. Wait, you were just playing Alpine Lake? What? Oh, you gotta let me know. I would have loved to watch. Thank you. How are you? If you guys don't know Jotson, you're missing out. multiple release games. Is this all of them? Do you have more games than this? It was fun. What do you really think though? Be brutal. You're taking over the stream in like 5 hours, so I gotta get some sleep. Oh damn! Oh my god, yeah. You need to get some sleep. I saw it. I saw Fullbox posted it, and he was like, "Guess what? Silver Fox is gonna be on Go Official." Thinking he'd say himself. No, he said you. But it is himself as well. You couldn't get in management mode to work. Oh, you need to get through a bunch of quests, and then you get a clipboard, and that clipboard unlocks in management mode. Oh, you know what? Wait, did it show up here? I wonder if it shows up here. So if I say false, leave, come back. Oh yeah, I wonder if I need to not show this. It's misleading. Okay. Now that's my bad. I shouldn't have. I should get rid of that. I should get rid of that. Okay. Yeah. Get rid of open in management button alert when you don't have a clipboard. I can't believe I overlooked that. Stupid. Skip to in management button for the demo might help. Yeah, maybe. I think I should just get rid of it and then you won't even know it exists. It's in the help text too. Oh my god. So fun fact about this text, I haven't even looked at it in a year and a half. I wrote this a year and a half ago. All of these. And I haven't looked at it since. It was so dangerous of me to even leave it in there. What an idiot. I'm going to take out this whole tab, or I'm going to make like a lot of games, they make like wikis in their own game. I might do that. I might turn this into categories with like more in-depth detail. Oh man, thanks for pointing that out. Gotta earn that. Yeah, you gotta earn it. Turgus, how's it going? That's how you found out about it. Okay. My bad. I'm surprised it even still is the M key. It's been so long. You did sort of a wiki in yours. No, I don't. I think it's very rare for people to look at it, but someone might. And this info is good to have. Okay. I gotta clean up the info panel in the pause menu. Yeah. Dangerous. Okay. If you got any more critiques, please let me know. I should add a few more, like crafting. I need a crafting tab that tells you like how to make certain materials, because I've been trying to figure out where to put that in. It's going. Saw Jotson playing Alpine Lake, so I rated him and stayed up way late. Nice. 12 feet up. How's it going? Just looked at the official lineup for next week, and the whole week is going to be the whole week is bangers. I saw Jotson, Two Nerdy Nerds, JD does dev. Who else? Full box. And EXO, right? That's what a crazy awesome week. Foul, when are you gonna get in on that? Oh yeah, so to the Raiders joining us, you don't know who I am. My name's Andrew. I'm working on Alpine Lake. You probably just saw Jotson playing it. The demo released 2 weeks ago. I'm going slow mode, just fixing little bugs here and there. And once I come out of slow mode and this little break, I gotta hustle, get the game done. Get in on what? The Godot lineup? I don't even know how everyone got in on it. Yeah, I think it's an application you fill out, right? But yeah, I hope everyone followed Jotson, who was here before and has never experienced a Jotson stream. Please give him a follow. All I noticed was all team members. Yeah, I think you just apply. Cyber Angel, Godot. Wait, no, we love Godot devs. We love it, all devs. On one stream, they said just use the Godot engine tag on your streams and they'll find you. But they allegedly have a waiting list already. Yeah, I thought someone said that there was an application. I could be wrong. Wait, there were a bunch of roses down here. Where are they? Oh, I already had roses. I gotta see something. All right, so I have a vase here, right? If I go into the inn, right? Total decoration rating is 60. An average room rating is 15. If I put a rose in here, 60 and 15, right? Is that what I said? 60 and 15. I put a rose in there. Everything gets +1. That means 63, and then the average room rating goes up. Okay, that's behaving normally. So all right, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Let's drop it in Photoshop. Ooh, a cheeseburger. I want a cheeseburger. Val, you should just be proactive and hit them up. All right, let's fast forward to day 7. Three stars, that's it? Drake, you were demanding. I wonder why. I just realized something. I have a threshold of total joy where that gets you a star. But if they only stay for 1 day, it's like impossible to hit that. So guests that only stay for 1 night tend to leave less stars. Lil John, how's it going? Thank you for the follow. So I feel like I need to alter that to be a multiplier by the amount of days. Same thing, 3 stars. She'll never hit her standards because she's just not there long enough. They did a whole thing during Pride Month with just LGBTQ devs taking turns with the stream. Is 3 stars max? No, you should be able to get 5 stars. I really did miss my shot there. Foul, did you not even know that they did that? You did not even know, and you call. Do you follow? Do you follow them? Godot official, isn't it? That's not it. Don't follow them. That's not them. No, they have 2 followers though. That's really funny. You can't even find the channel. Godot official Twitch. It's Godot engine _ official. There you go. 12 feet up's got it. All right, I'll let you in. Coroutine could not be started. Yeah, that's normal. Oops, I didn't clean the room. No. You are following them. Okay, that's good. Aaron, do you use Godot also? Why am I totally blanking on that? Like I'm like only 80% sure you use Godot. Yeah, yeah. I guess it's because I'm always seeing you like making hats and using 3D coat that I don't see much engine work. Have you done it yet? No, you didn't do it yet either, right? You guys gotta get in on that. Looks fun. I wish Unity did fun stuff like that. Come on, Unity. Unity official. Haven't done a takeover? Should. Both should. Solus Re, how's it going? Welcome in. Unity Engine official. Yeah, they do. Soul, thank you for the follow. How are you? Why did I get friendship plus plus when they went to bed? I wonder if the bed is, if sleeping is their favorite. Wait, so Omi. Guest Omi. His favorite activity is petting the dog, which you can't do. Favorite activity, its favorite hotspot's the pond. It's birthday. I forgot I have birthdays. Favorite drink. Huh. I have no idea why they friendship plus plus. Oh, because they're checking out. And they had a good time. 4 stars. Automod protect. Yeah, Automod protect us. I even help it out and add those asterisks. Yeah, but they know what you're talking about. I actually don't mind cursing. I just wish I can like I want to block the like the creepy stuff, but cursing I'm fine with. I wonder if there's a setting for that. I'd love to do a takeover, but I can probably use another year of practice with both Godot and Twitch first. Ah, you could do it. You can do it. I believe in you. What do I do about this, like, taking a bath fully clothed thing? I guess I just leave it. It's fine. All right, day 5. I need to hurry up. I'm just gonna. No, I'm not gonna check in guests anymore. I'm just gonna skip. Skip. Lower the auto mod, but add bad words manually? Nah, I'd rather just auto mod everything. Sounds like a pain. You're not gonna do the Sims treatment? No. It's too simmy. This is less of a sim. It's more of an RPG than a sim. Wait, why are he's not in the bed? Or she's not in the bed. Oh god. Looks like she's in a guillotine. Wait, they're all in a guillotine. Oh my god. No. Why did that happen? Ban the phrase, oh, viewers. I've never gotten that before. Right? No, it's happened once. Only one time did I get some spam bot saying, best viewers. But yeah, I guess I could do that. I should do that. I don't want to be like, hello, hundreds of people. I will probably only address once. Here's this mess. You definitely should do that. Honestly, I'd love to, like, I would love to see, Aaron, your stream specifically for the general Godot public, because your stream is very special. It's a very special place. It is one of the most unique streams, especially in the software dev category. And I don't know. I feel like it would be wonderful. What happens if you destroy an object with the character inside them, like the bed? You can't pick it up. If I go to pick it up, it just fails. That too. Although if I finish my 4.3 plugin, I could maybe do a stream on that. What are you working on? What kind of plugin? My project is still 3.5.2. Let's chat. They might not. I guess I never realized like they might care what version you're using. What's up, fellow game devs? Who else is here to do some powerlifting, get really unhinged? Yes. I love it. You planning on adding death mechanics like ladderless pool? No. Nah, no death. Also, is this cap? So, all right, let me check every day. So now we're at 12.8. I think it's because the. Wait, yeah, why is it lower? It was at 53 before. It was definitely at 53 before because I saved it. No, it was at 63. What would have dropped? Oh, it's these footprints. Where'd they go? Wait, there were footprints here. Why are they so faint I can't even see them? What is up with that? Oh, I wonder if it's the lighting. Because they're unlit, but it's so dark now that you can't see them. Oh, that's weird. Um, let's see what happens in the daytime. We can't have a regular discussion on that stream. I need to just make them diffuse so they get dark with the lighting. So there they are. So that's why, okay, that's why they're the inn is less valuable. So let me clean that up. Whoa. Oh, okay. So that's cleaned. If I check it now, 61. That's because the fire wasn't on. Put the fire on. Okay. 63. And if let's see what happens. If I put a sconce, the sconce is outside. They're not in a room. Do these appear in the stats? 69. Okay. Behave. Okay. So they definitely add to the total value of the inn. I refuse. My plugin is for parallax scenery management. Unnecessary for simple parallax stuff, but really useful for anyone trying to craft more detailed parallax background. And yes, it was built with the new parallax 2D nodes in mind. Oh, cool. 12 feet up. That's awesome. Is it available yet? Or is it not available yet? All right, so the next day is the last day. I'm not gonna check anyone in. I don't want it to affect the numbers. I do understand not having some weird mechanics, but it's highly effective for virality. Pal World having all those viral moments caused a lot of buzz online. I mean, I'm sure, but I've got a vibe I'm trying to hit, and it's just not in it. Yo, what up, Proton? I can't start adding death. It's too, I like silly, but it's not the silly I'm going for. I'm using 4.3 for all my projects already. The new Parallax 2D and tile map layer nodes are the only huge changes I've come across. I mean, apparently it's a big one because it's stopping Grumble from upgrading. All right, ready? Here we go. And the final count is 69. 136. Wait a minute. Yeah, what? 136? That doesn't make any sense. Because it's what? 7, 8, 24. Wait, 14? 15, 22, 31. This should only be 31. Why is it 136? What was it before? 60. What? All I did was add the sconces. If I take them off. What? Wait. So it's at 136. I put the sconce back. Wait, it's still 136. Okay, it didn't change. Well, what did change? Sconce is too powerful. Please nerf. Or maybe they get angry and leave a bad review. So you get a special 1-star review that has some custom text. Yes, I like that better. I already have that. If I take their bed away and they go to sleep, they leave instead because there's nowhere for them to sleep, and then they leave you a bad review. So that's the kind of stuff I'm fine with. But I definitely don't want death. I don't want you to be able to kill your guests. My plugin will hopefully be ready for people to test next month. Once it passes that test, I'll try to get in the asset library. Nice. Someone get the calculator. Yeah, what was that? What did I add to the game that made that shoot so high up? So I need to, yeah, I need to figure that one out. Let's just skip to the end. Let's skip to the end and see what's happening. Something's like compounding. Okay, so now we hit the end of the game. Wait, can I pause it first? It went up just from the day ending. And then we lost 2 in decoration, probably because more footprints spawned. So, I mean, I could just put it here. Okay. Let's continue. Here's the cutscene. I'm just going to continue doing animator kind of sequences for 3D objects moving and rotating. I last added the red planet to my demo. Nice, Proton. Is it in your retro style? I don't know why I said that like a Midwesterner. Style. Everyone effective, doing work and all. Yeah, it's great. Look at that. Now it's at 170. What is happening? Okay, screenshot this. Canvas size. So this was the first one, second one, third one. It seemed like every day it was just going up. It doesn't make any sense. So the decoration rating is fine. That's not broken. Activity rating is busted. Okay. So the funny thing is, all right, that save scene, or that scene is saved. If I go back to it, oh, I see your link, Proton. Just give me 1 second. So I just reloaded the scene. Skip to the end. And now the activity rating is 42, which is, that seems normal. That's I think, yeah, that's exactly what I counted up before, 42. It's basically just a bunch of bathtubs in the beds. So decoration is 67. That's fine. Great. Is this all the same? Let's just see. So 67. This is bad. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, great. So what is compounding? What is adding to activity rating? I wonder. Ooh, I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. All right, I'm going to do something funky. I'm going to load the game, and I'm going to quickly turn off the demo thing. Or actually, in the demo controller, I'll just turn that off. Demo controller. Let's take a look at what Proton is doing. Look at that. Little Batman action. Nice. Oh, look at this. It's cool. It's an official Apollo vampire logo. This stuff's fun. This stuff's real fun. I love the style. Make it bigger. Are the stars behind the planet? Are they in like separate layers? Very cool. Very cool. Thank you for sharing, Proton. Is this for something specific, or is this like your long-term project? This thing. It'll be kind of a music video. Ah, I see. Demo controller. Stamina on demo. What is that? Stamina on demo. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. This is the demolish controller. I'm just like, what does stamina have to do with the demo? It's the demo manager? Demo system. It's the demo system. Ah, stupid. All right, so public bool. Check. So let's not even check. If not check, return. The cutscene will never happen, and that's that. It'll never check. Okay. Systems. It is a wild demo competition entry for Zoo Party that takes place in Finland on November 1st to the 3rd. It's an in real life competition. That's rare. That is a rare thing. Okay. So we're at 42. I have a sneaking suspicion if I just let the day pass with the modifier, right? So we have the fireplace, comfort +1. My suspicion is that stuff modifiers, they turn off at the end of the day, but they don't subtract their points from the total. That's my sneaking suspicion. So it's at 48 right now. And if let's just like take the flower out of the vase. Oh my god. And now it's at 72. Wait, what? Wait. What was it before? All right, it's at 72. Put that in. Now it's at 96. Wait, now it's at 112. Augie! Augie, how's it going? Wait, something crazy is happening. I take it out. It's at 136. I put it back in. It's at 144. What is it? Augie, how's it going? Slowly making progress. Nice. Are you working on that? Your Tamagotchi MMO companion app? What is happening? Relaxing +6. Relaxing +1. This is crazy. Working on the prototype, yeah. How's that going? Do you have anything you want to share? Also, shout out to Augie. Jesus, where are my manners? You caught me right in the middle of this weird ass bug. Yeah, you guys don't know Augie. Well, if you don't know Augie, please give them a follow. They're a fantastic artist and Unreal dev. Got time sync function and hunger decay function. Nice. I'm having some weird ass bugs. Weird bugs. All right, I have an idea. Let's select the bed. No, I did not want to stop playing. Dang it. That is not what I wanted. All right, what are we at now? 42. I wanted to add feeding function, but realized I need storage function and storage UI first to feed them. Yes, that sounds, I mean, you could just like have a variable that is amount of food you own for now until you implement items and inventory stuff. It's always a way. All right. This is what I'm dealing with. There's a total activity rating of 42 in this inn, which it comprises of all these values, inspiring, relaxing in all of these rooms. When you add all these up, so it's 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. So 12 plus 16. 12 plus 16 is 38. All right, so this isn't even right. Right? 12 plus 16 is 38. Yeah. So this isn't even right. From the beginning, it's not right. Because these flowers are messing everything up. If I take the flowers out, okay, now no vase has flowers, and I go back. The activity rating has doubled. Wait, 42. Did it straight double? Why would it double? It has no mods. This bed is relaxing +6. Is that true? So that's for tomorrow. It's already gym time. Augie. Thank you for the raid. And if you're going to the gym right now, then have a good time. Time to punch some demons. Yeah, get them. Get those demons. More bed. Also, for those of you that don't know, Augie is also working on Onibi, which I encourage everyone to give a wish list and a follow. It's a very cute puzzle game. Platforming puzzle game. Not really platforming. I don't know. More like adventure puzzle. All right. What is making this number do such wacky things? Exploration adventure. There you go. If you don't know what genre to call someone's game, just ask. Just ask. The adventure genre is a weird one. I never know how to categorize it because, like, most games are adventures, you know? But what does an adventure mean? It doesn't tell you anything about playstyle. It always confused me. Like Candy Crush. If there's like an inkling of narrative, it's kind of an adventure. So what gameplay, what genre specific gameplay do you expect when you hear the phrase adventure game? I'm actually curious what everyone has to say cuz I don't know. I don't know what is expected. Running around, different zones, different biomes. For the subreddit adventure games, it's only point and click adventures. I learned that the hard way. Yeah, so the point and click adventure, that's a genre. The point and click describes what you do. OB, how's it going? You control an object manually. Okay. Asbrand, welcome in. Zelda style games. But what does that mean? What about a Zelda game makes an adventure game? Exploring a world with rules. Every game is a world with rules. Like I'm making a game with a world and there's rules. Adventure, you control specifically Zelda. Well, not yet. You only control Link. Zelda's technically an action adventure. So there you go again. Action adventure is another descriptor in front of adventure, which, okay, it says that there's action. That does make sense to me. I guess it doesn't matter what the action it is, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. Big important goal, progression through exploring dungeons and bosses. I agree with the first and second one. Big important goal and progression through exploring. That's kind of what adventuring sounds like to me. The dungeons and bosses, I mean, they don't have to have dungeons and bosses. I feel like you can have an adventure game without dungeons and bosses, but I like where you're going with that. You will control Zelda. Yeah, you will. Hyper poop. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, Geofracture. Sorry, I missed that. For me, an adventure game is a game about discovery, finding new places, things to do, parts of a story. Yeah, that sounds right. That sounds right. Tim Vom Tower. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Yo, Hyper, how's it going? Your life is directly tied to one object or group of objects. So you're talking about like what you control as like a third, like you control this character. You don't ever control anything else except if you're in like, demolish mode and you control this hammer, but it's still technically you. Would this be an adventure game? The world's not big. It's only like 5 zones. But, can you really define an adventure by literally the amount of space you have to explore? I don't know. We're going on an adventure, Charlie. We're going to Candy Mountain, Charlie. It's an adventure. We're going on an adventure. Yeah, I don't know. It always confused me. All right, so now we're at 90. I don't know why. Let's put a flower in the vase. Put a flower in the vase. And we're at 98. Take the flower out. And we're at 122. Okay. Obviously, this activity rating is not getting reset before I set it. Tim, started my first Unity project a week ago, and I am overwhelmed by your project. I mean, don't compare us. I've been using Unity since 2012. That's 12 years. Uh, I've been working on this specific project for 4 years. Uh, Got to start somewhere, and I'm proud of you for starting. Yeah, exactly. You'll get there. If you want to get there, you'll get there. Just don't get discouraged. Never compare yourself to other people, even though you will. You're going to totally compare yourself to other people. After 5 seconds of comparing yourself to someone else and getting upset about it, just remember to shake it off. Remember to do this and say, I have my own path and not everyone's the same. And that's that. I'm a web dev since 6 or 7 years now, but game development is so different. Yeah, game development is very different. Stream is comfy. Love the vibe. Hyper. I appreciate it. I'm a hobbyist game dev, and I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I still get upset. Yeah, it's going to happen. Also, there's an ad break coming up, so apologies. Apologies for the advertisements that must happen. All right, let's start digging in. I'm going to start digging in as to why this stat isn't updating. So in stats. It's got to be in the in stats, right? Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's a UI issue. How crazy would that be if I look at the in stats? In stats. Total activity stats. These are all defaulted to 0. Can I look at debug stuff? Stats 5. Value. Oh my God. Wait, what is this element 1? Element 1 is 112. Element 2 is 10. So fun is 0. Relaxing is 112. And inspiring is 10. So if I pause it, so inspiring is 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. What? Ad break. Sorry for the ads. I wonder if it messes up comfy. So what if I'm going to pull this out of the fire. So if you water a fireplace, the fire goes out. So let's look at the decoration stats now. 61, if I light the fire. 63, water the fire. 61, that works. It must have something to do with activity stats. Yeah. Okay. Let's just check it out. Darkwood Dragon, how's it going? I got a bug I'm trying to fix. The stats don't add up properly. They do very strange things. Very, very strange things. How are you doing, Darkwood? Remove all modifiers. I remove them. Remove all modifiers. Let's just make sure this code does something. It goes through every stat, removes all modifiers. Remove all modifiers. Clears the array. That looks good to me. Let's also pare back this stuff. In stats. So when I configure in stats, what do I do? Decoration update. So if it has an activity, I add the activity stats from the activity. Okay. And what does that mean? What does that mean exactly? Total activity stats. That was a long ad. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's just how it happens. Oh, so I didn't hear what you said about 20 years. That's a long ass time. That's a long ass time, and yeah, it's human nature to get upset about watching other people's journey. And if it doesn't compare to yours in the way that you want, then it's upsetting. You just got to shake it off. Pretty good. Just got back from a weekend away for my birthday, and the voting from the Godot Wild Jam is over, and ended up 61st out of 156. Darkwood, that's pretty good. Congrats. And happy birthday. Happy birthday indeed. I hope you had a fun weekend away. I had life, so I can never fully get involved. Yeah, life when your life is busy, getting into game dev as a hobby is near impossible. Near impossible. I get that. Where do I calculate these stats? Average room rating, average room stats, total activity stats. So I add from source, and then I remove modifiers occasionally. Add from source. So what does this do? Add from source. I'm adding modifiers. I wonder if the modifiers show up here. Are these the modifiers? Stats is a private array, obviously. Activity stats. What is it? It is an activity stat. The stats are all separate things. What's the private thing that is being viewed? Stats list? Stat. Oh, here's the array. It's an array of stats. It's protected. Okay. I see. Where do I set this? Where do I set these? I'm confused. So activity stats. I set them here. Oh, okay. Fun, relaxing, inspiring, taste, price per use. So I wonder, yeah, it must have something to do with the modifiers. Yo, Anga Blade, unprotect them? No, they must stay protected. No, it's fine that they're protected. I could still see them. I just needed to make sure which one was which. I just don't understand why the modifiers are working properly for decorations, but not for activities. They're identical. So maybe here I don't reset it. So for decoration stats, let's just tick through it. So it's an identical class with just different stats. Identical. So something must not be identical about this. So when I add from source, I'm doing a bunch of add modifiers. I'm getting the source. And when I add from source, I'm doing a bunch of add modifiers. Yeah, and I'm adding the source. Also, Anga, how you doing? You did have a fun weekend away. I'm glad, Darkwood. Gotta take advantage of those fun weekends. I made another shady app and TM you some pics, but I can't speak about it in the public. It's cool though, I promise. Listen, if you can't speak about it in public, I probably shouldn't know about it. But I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for working and being productive, I guess. So add from, I'm going to print the source. Print adding stats from source. Let's just see what this source is. Debug.log. Can I do this? I hope so. It's cool and all, but I just don't want to bring it to a crowd. If you know what I mean. I see. Just be careful. I shouldn't know about this. Stop telling me. Stop telling me. All right. Let's see what's going on here. All right. I can recreate this easily now, which is good. Recreating the bugs is half the battle. So let me go back to the bed also. Bed. So activity, stats. Which bed is this? I need this certain bed. No, I need this one. Okay. Stats. Stats. All right. So it's got 6 relaxing, and that's it. That's what it should have. It's perfect. Go to the game. If I check it, it should have 6 relaxing. Perfect. And it has the rose mod. The rose mod. Wait, where'd it go? I just had, oh, I selected something by accident. Okay. So I'm going to take out the rose mod. Bonk. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. And if I put the rose back in, nothing changed. Take the rose out. Nothing changed. What do roses do? What do roses do, you ask? Rose. Flower rose. Stats. Decoration stats. 2. They add 2 to style. They don't even change relaxing. That's a weird one, right? What? Roses look cool. Wait, Anga, I'm gonna have to look at this later. I see the pictures. I don't immediately know what it's doing, but I'll check it out after. All right. Total activity rating is 98. Adding stats from decor vase. Adding stats from bathtub? Wait, why is the bathtub adding stats? That's a weird one. That's definitely a weird one. Relaxing is a... Wait a minute. Flower rose. No, that's not what it does. It's in the rose itself. I think it's in the rose itself. Ah, of course I can't. Exit. I can't change it on the fly. So I open up the rose. Stats modifier. It's got a stats modifier. Normal. And the only thing it should do is add 1 to relaxing, or 1 to style. But it's making relaxing go crazy. Why is it making relaxing go crazy? Specifically when I take this out. What is the difference between these two stats? Add from source. Oh, I see. I see. This is not... Okay, this is adding from all the decorations it could find. Let's see if I can view that source. So what is this source thing? Add from source. It adds a modifier. So it goes into the stat itself, and it's adding a value to this list of read-only modifiers. And it's got a protected read-only and a public read-only. Will this not show up in the editor? Is that the problem? Let's try this again. So everything seems normal now. 42. Maybe it actually doesn't seem normal. It still seems too high, unnaturally high. I take this out, right? I take the rows out. It was 42. Now it's 66. So obviously something stupid's going on. If I go to in stats, and I view everything there is to view about this, debug. It won't let me view that list. I can't see what, I guess it, oh, because it's a read-only collection. What if I make this serializable? Serializable? System.serializable. I wonder if this will allow it to show up. Let's see. Maybe now the list will show up. Okay, in stats. No, it didn't do it. There's no stats here. It has 0 stats because it's not calculated yet. I go here. Oh, all right. Everything just calculated. It only calculated when I came to this menu. I guess it only calculates when you grab it. Is that true? Whatever. So I leave. I grab this. Nothing changes. If I go back, then it changes. Put the rows back. Everything is dirty now. It's because it knows something's up, something's changed. Go back. Now everything's 81. This is very strange. Munez, ohayo gozaimasu. Genki desu ka? Genki desu. Hi. あなたはどうですか? How are you, Munis? How are you? This is weird. All right, so I guess what I need to do, I need to print out like the list. I need to print out the list of sources every time it changes. So in stats, oh, let's make this public. Let's just make this public for now. Let's try this. Maybe now I can see it. Oh, but these are all read-only, so it would be nothing. No, read-only should show up. I don't understand. Genki desu. I was looking at the Discord today and someone built someone got very far in the demo and built the craziest inn. This was their inn. Like, I didn't even know you can get that much stuff in the 7-day demo. There's just so much going on here. There's a hot tub in every room. It's got the ship wheel, the creepy painting. It's impressive. I gotta fix this. So like here, you can see the painting is backwards. It's facing the other way, and there's just no polygon there. Same with the fireplace. This is cool. It's impressed me. All right, in stats. Look at that. The modifiers showed up. Yes. Wait, there are a bunch of elements, but there's nothing to them. Okay. Well, that's a start. There's 9 elements, right? If I rearrange, now there's 13. Just from opening this up, there's 13. If I take it out, there's 15. If I put it back, there's 17. If I close this, there's still 17. Open up this window, and all the modifiers are still there. If I close this, go back here, there's 21. Take this out, 23. Close this, go back. So, okay, obviously we know what's going on. The stat modifiers are not removing themselves, they're only adding. I want to see what's happening with the decorations, though. Why is the same thing not happening? The code's identical. So when you turn a fire on, comfort goes up. Add fire. Stat modifiers. There's 23 stat modifiers for comfort. If I water the fire to make it go out, it didn't go away. There's still only 22 things. There's still only 22 things. So let's do, yeah, let's just make one of these not read only. So the object, doggy, okay? What's the thing I can make not read only so it's easy to notice? Because object won't even show up, right? I guess I'll take value. Just see what. Mr. Mard, is there a heckin' Borcarino nearby? What? What does that even mean? A dog, you mean? Dog, you okay? She's a little freak. Yeah, she's nearby. in stats. So stat modifiers. I open this window. Everything shoots to 13. Oh, wait, now I can see what it is. Value 1, value 6. Value 1, value 6, value 1, value 6. Oh my god. So, yeah, basically, this isn't refreshing. There's only 4 beds, but I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beds. There's 8 beds being counted. Why are there 8 beds being counted? But there's only 4 beds. And it has something to do with when the modifiers change. So my instincts are telling me that I'm clearly not I'm not clearing the cache. So decoration updated. Add from source. So maybe add from source just needs to block new things. Oh, adding stats from source. I put that in decoration stats. Decoration updated. Stats are updated. Okay. Decoration updated. Decoration removed. Decoration updated. Add from source. Did I just forget? Wait, decoration removed. Oh, look at that. So here, there it is. There it is. When a decoration is updated, I remove it from decoration stats, remove all modifiers from source, but I just don't do it with total. This is what I thought it was all along. Why did it take me so long to get here? That's all right. We're in slow mode. We're in slow mode. We got it, though. We got it. Oh, wait. It's just deco. Let's see if that works. We just had to refresh it. Oh, my God. So silly. Margarino and cheese. Mr. Mart, how you doing? Also, we got a lot of raids today and a lot of new visitors. I will really quickly plug the game. The dog is begging to get out of the room. One sec. All right. Yes, please wishlist the game. Also, the demo is available. You can play the demo. You can even leave a review on the demo. If anyone has played the game, if anyone has played the demo, if you want to do me a solid, drop a review. That would be doing me one whole solid. All right, we figured it out. What a stupid bug. I can't believe I overlooked that for this long. I think I just never really looked at the stats. I just assumed they worked. You never updated to the demo when it came out? It's got its own page now. You can have both. So, in stats. 28. That's correct. That's the correct amount of stats. If I do this, 28, it's still 28. What? Why is it still 28? If I add this, style +1 +1. Oh, yeah, because style has nothing to do with activity stats. That's why. 70. So the decoration stats is 67, right? Take this out. 64. Put it back. 67. That's what I expect. 28. If I add all these up to 28, it should be 28. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. You add them together, you get 28. That's accurate. Oh my god, we did it. Hells yeah, another big bug. Last time on stream, we conquered a pretty big nasty bug, and today we did the same. And that makes me happy. That makes me happy. You've been playing the alpha on your Steam Deck. I guess if you're playing the alpha, you get the benefit of not stopping after 7 days because the demo stops you. But the demo is way less buggy and the demo is way more polished. Okay. That makes me feel way better. Let's check it off the list. Stats are busted when you reload the game. Yeah, sure. This one's easy. I'm going to do this one right now. Get rid of the M opening management. Yeah. I think it's in the player nav. I didn't know where to put it, so I put it in the player nav. In management. Oh, wait, what? I do check. Oh, wait, can perform all skills or as bool. Okay. What? Manager, game manager. Can perform all skills. It's off. If I start the game. If I start the game. Oh, you know what? I don't think it actually is visible. So Jotson said that he found it through the other menu. I think I do properly turn this off. I just need to uncheck this. So false. I need to like go on the bike or something. Get off the bike. Yeah. Okay. It's gone. So that one actually is not. All right. That one's not really a bug. It's this one. I got to clean up the info panel. I basically have to make submenus. I need to make buttons, categories, and submenus. So instead of like shoving everything on one page, I think I'll have like a bunch of side buttons that can reveal a full page of better laid out text. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'll do it eventually. Right now, what I'm going to do is find a raid target. Because I'm tired and we're going in slow mode. And yeah, we're going to be in slow mode for a little bit. I hope you all enjoyed yourself. And thank you seriously for hanging out. Got something done. Got something pretty big done. That was one line of code we added, right? All we did was add that one line of code, and it took the whole stream. Just this. And it's a duplicate of another line. So stupid. But let's see. What happened today? Got some new followers. Tim, Hyper, Soul, Lil John, Renna Ross, and Tay. Tay Games, thank you for all those follows. And Jotson and Augie, thank you for the raids. Sometimes that's all you need to do for an update. Yeah, it's a pretty big one. Everyone's going to be very confused by their stats, I'm sure. As long as you get something done, the day isn't wasted, no matter how small it is. Hells yeah, of course. I agree. Update an app today by adding an if statement and a checkbox. Sick. I did a lot of work during like at my day job today, so I'm getting like a trickle down satisfaction throughout all projects. But yeah, let's find someone to raid. I haven't been to Beegs in a while. The if statement controlled if the app beeps when it is done processing or not. Controlled by the check. So it didn't even do anything. It just like made a noise. I did a whole stream once where all I did was add one checkbox. I added this checkbox to the game. this game manager demo mode. Oh wait, you can't see my screen. But I basically added the checkbox for demo mode. That's all I did the entire stream, and I felt totally satisfied with that. Let's go raid Beaks. But thanks everyone for hanging. And feel free to catch me tomorrow if you like what you saw. I'll be back. Same time. Moon is. Yeah, that's totally fine. One checkbox is all you need. Yeah, if you feel like playing Alpine Lake, go for it. It's free. Demo. Leave it a review. Give it a wish list. Do all the things. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow, and I appreciate every single one of you. And that's it. Have a good rest of your Sunday, or have a good Monday if you're waking up to Monday. Errand. And go to bed if it's late. Darkwood, 12 feet up.